Happiness is delusion. Bliss is real existence. Whoever asks you to pursue happiness is deluding you. Happiness is binary logic based. Today happiness is getting a car. Tomorrow happiness is getting a house. Day after tomorrow happiness is getting a wife. The next day you know what is happiness. Where you landed. Happiness is the word society, mass media cult, entertainment industry cult is using to exploit you and keep you in delusion continuously. Bliss is cosmological reality. Happiness is societal delusion. Understand? Bliss is when you know absolutely you are in tune with the whole existence. Even if you think you are not in tune and accept that as a reality, you will be in bliss. Bliss comes from powerful cognitions. Happiness comes from the opinions of the people who make you powerless and those powerless cognitions. I tell you. Each time when you cognize powerful cognitions of the cosmic truth, cosmological truth, truths as per cosmic logic, you manifest bliss. Bliss is based on cosmic logic. Happiness is based on binary logic. Society keeps you deluded with the idea of happiness. If you understand bliss, and it is too easy to start experiencing bliss. It is not at all difficult. I am telling you. That's the first powerful cognition you need to know. Bliss is too easy to experience. That is why society never wants you to experience bliss, because bliss liberates you, makes you independent of exploitative, grid-based lifestyle. Bliss is the source material out of which Paramashiva is made. Actually, bliss is the source material out of which this whole universe is made. Anandam Brahmeti Navyajanat. Upanishad declares very clearly. Out of Ananda, the stuff called Ananda, this universe is made. Don't waste it without experiencing it. Annam Brahmeti Navyajanat. Annam na nindyat tat vratam. Pranam Brahmeti. Mano Brahmeti. Vijnanam Brahmeti. Anandam Brahmeti. Taittiriya Upanishad. Actually, I am chanting the first lines of the different paragraphs. Taittiriya Upanishad very clearly declares, Anandam Brahmeti Navyajanat. Understand? The whole universe is made of a stuff called Ananda. It's made out of stuff called Ananda. Anandat eva kalvimani bhutani jayante. It is indeed from Ananda all the beings have happened. I wanted all Kailasavasis and Kailasa Visvasis, devotees, disciples, followers, cognize Ananda, experience the powerful cognitions of Ananda. Do not miss understanding about Ananda, because once you understand Ananda, you will not be exploited anymore by this stupid happiness concept. Understand? This happiness idea is inserted into you by the society or the mass media cult, entertainment industry cult, which wants to exploit you. They put the ideas like income, healthy life expectancy, social support, freedom, trust and generosity, all this. I tell you, happiness is binary logic based. Bliss is cosmic logic based. The experience of powerfulness, not feeling suffocated, experience of non-violence. See, a person who is fulfilled will never be violent. Will only feel like giving. How can I give more? How can I contribute more to everyone's life? Actually, when you are in bliss, the moment you wake up, whoever you see, you feel like hugging and blessing them. If you are not blissful, whoever you see, you feel biting them. So, falling in the eyes of the people who are not blissful is a curse. Be clear. Ananda Atma, the soul, the self, which is made of the material called Ananda. Only that soul should be experienced, it should be seen. Actually, when you see that soul, you experience Ananda in you. Anandam Brahmano Vidyat. Bliss is the primary manifestation of Paramashiva. Listen. Anandam Brahmano Vidyat. The Brahman, Parabrahman, Paramashiva, the primary manifestation, immediate manifestation of that Paramashiva is Ananda, bliss. Understand? By jati you can be anything, but by varna you can become Brahmana. Same way, by social conditioning you would have felt happiness or you may not have felt happiness. But as per the cosmic logic, the multidimensional logic, reality, the real reality, you are blissful. You are qualified to be blissful, and that is your very nature and quality. I tell you. Even if you think you are happy as per the society standard, you are not successful. That's more like a Operation Success patient died. Because you are happy as per others. Even if you are happy as per yourself, it is not eternal or permanent. It's all relative measures, which changes not every day, every minute. Not every day, but every minute. Anandam Brahme Divyajanat. Ananda is the stuff out of which all of us are made. I tell you. Start eating Ananda. Start living in Ananda. Powerful cognitions about Ananda should be meditated and manifested. Just simple three principles. Decide to accept everything inside, outside. And decide to unclutch from everything inside, outside. Decide to experience peace first. Because when the peace is filling your muscle memory, biomemory, then the bliss grows in bioenergy. Understand? Bliss, Ananda, is an intense excitement from inside you when you start experiencing bliss. I tell you. Joy is success-based, success is joy-based. Ananda is excellence-based, excellence is Ananda-based. There is a big difference between joy and bliss. There is a big difference between success and excellence. Stop chasing joy. Stop chasing success. Start looking for Ananda. Start looking for excellence. Happiness is binary logic based. Sugamapaditam sevyam dukkhamapaditam yata chakravat parivartante dukkani cha sugani cha. Hitopadesha. This is a line from Hitopadesha. Happiness is followed by sorrow and sorrow is followed by happiness and sorrow rotate like a wheel. Sugamapaditam sevyam dukkhamapaditam yata chakravat parivartante dukkani cha sukani cha. Always work for excellence. Hindu youth should understand one thing. Stop looking at this so-called joy-based life and stop destroying your life. Stop destroying your life. The idea of joy, the idea of success inserted into your head by the mass media cult and entertainment cult destroys your very purpose of existence. The Hindu youth should look beyond this IT job, one house, one wife, 2 kids, 1 car. Wow, retire. you should start looking beyond this lifestyle. I really request the Hindu youth to consider and start thinking in the direction of the lifestyle of Adi Shankaracharya, Jnana Sambandha, Vivekananda. The cosmic logic centered lifestyle. A real Hindu lives powerful cognition, cosmic logic centered lifestyle. Experiencing and manifesting Ananda, and stop looking for the stupid so-called joy or success-based lifestyle. Start looking for Ananda and excellence-based lifestyle. Tyaga brings excellence and bliss. The new world order is going to be excellence and bliss based, not joy and success based. It's going to be excellence and bliss based.